Hi all, this is Ian from Eyzee Smart Devices. These are available in New Zealand and Australia through smarthomesmatter.au. We just want to demonstrate here today, we've connected 4 switches. So they act as two-way, three-way, four-way switches that just operate via the Zigbee network. This allows you to connect multiple switches in a house, just like you would a normal two-way, three-way, four-way switch without the headache of doing all the wiring. None of these switches are physically wired to each other. You can see it's just a switch in a box, power to it. The only wiring here is a wire that runs from this dimmer switch to this normal LED light, just for demonstration purposes. So we can control a switch. So we can imagine the switch is upstairs, there's a 3-gang. We can turn this one on and turns the light on down the stairway. You go down the stairs and you notice all the other lights that are connected have all shown as being on. So we might go downstairs and you want to turn that light off, turn off there. And you might have another one out, perhaps in the garage, so you can control the lights on the inside as same set of lights. You can control it there. And you might have one down your bedroom. You can put them wherever you like. But the beauty of this is none of these light switches are physically wired together. They're all running via the hub, which will still operate if you disconnect it from the internet. So you're not dependent on the internet for your system to work. But it does give you the advantage of also being able to control the light switches remotely via your phone when the internet is running. So I hope that helps and explains some of the things you can do with smart devices, making our life easier. Again, if you want to buy any of the stuff, you can go to Eyzee.au and pick up your products here.